When most people think of owls, they imagine a soft, gentle hoo-hoo echoing through the forest. But the barn owl, it sounds like something straight out of a ghost story. With its pale, heart-shaped face and silent wings, the barn owl looks like a spirit in flight, and its voice matches that haunting appearance. Unlike typical owls, barn owls don't hoot. Instead, they produce a harsh, chilling scream, a long, rasping call that can send shivers down your spine. It's not melodic, it's not soft, it's raw, wild, and unmistakable. Let's break down the sounds this owl makes. Territorial scream. A loud, drawn-out screech, usually made at night. It sounds like a mix between a scream and a hiss. This is the most common call, and it's used to defend space or warn off intruders. Begging call. Made by chicks in the nest or by females during feeding. It's a repetitive, hissing noise, almost like a squeaky wheel turning in the dark. Snaps and hisses. Barn owls can also produce clicking or snapping sounds with their beaks, especially when threatened or disturbed. These sounds are defensive and are often paired with that eerie scream. Despite how unsettling these sounds might be, they play an important role in the owl's nocturnal world, helping them communicate, find food, and defend their territory. So now, let's experience it for ourselves. Now that you've heard the individual calls, it's time to experience the full voice of the barn owl. Turn up your volume, close your eyes, and imagine yourself standing in a quiet field under the moonlight, as the scream of the barn owl echoes in the darkness.